Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen Ortiz. In today's video, I want to show you how to remove wallpaper. Wallpaper can be very easy to remove or very difficult. But before I show you how to remove this wallpaper, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, like and comment. And now, let me show you how I'm going to remove this. My fixer-upper house was built in the 80s. That means a lot of wallpaper everywhere. The entire second level of the house is covered with wallpaper. So I have a lot of work to do. And the reason why I want to remove the wallpaper is because I'm going to keep the wood tones of the house, like the crown molding, the baseboard, the door, all that have that wood tone that I want to keep, but I want to brighten this space up. So I want to paint the walls white so it can have that very nice contrast between the wood tones and the white. The materials you're going to need for this project are super simple. You're going to need some safety glasses and white vinegar, or you can use any type of vinegar will help you. And also you're going to mix that with hot tap water, and you need a spray bottle for that. And you're going to need this wallpaper scraping tool, and if you don't have that, you can use a putty knife that will help you to remove the wallpaper. And you're also going to need this wallpaper scoring tool, and I bought this from Amazon. I'm going to share all the items that I'm going to use for this project under the video and the description box, and you guys can check it out later if you want to know what I use for this project. And the items that I'm going to use are super simple and easy. You probably already have some of these items at home, so let's do this. So before you start removing the wallpaper, you need to prepare the area. So I'm going to use this to cover the floors, and you're also going to need a garbage can. And also you need to turn off the power to the electrical outlet, and you have to remove the outlet and also cover it with a painter tape. And the reason why is because you're going to deal with water and vinegar, and you don't want to have any accident. So now let's prepare the wallpaper removal solutions, and for this you're going to need hot tap water and also vinegar, and you're going to mix this in a spray bottle. Use a putty knife or a scraper and find an edge to the wallpaper, and try to remove the wallpaper. If your wallpaper come off in sheets, it's a good sign that it's going to be an easy project. And now guys, we're ready to start with this project, but before we do so, please don't forget to put on your safety glasses. Use your sprayer to apply your solution to a small section of the wall, then wait 5 minutes to allow the hot water solution to work, and after 5 minutes, use your scraper to remove the wallpaper. This particular wallpaper have 2 layers. The first layer is actually the paper, and the second inner layer is generally the wallpaper with some glue. Once you remove the first layer, you will need to remove the second layer, which is the glue. Spray more solution and wait a few minutes. Use a scraper to remove the final layer, and after, use a clean wet towel to wipe away any remaining glue. You guys can see how the wall looks perfectly fine. Just a few areas that I have to retouch before I start painting the wall. And then you repeat the same process. Spray some water, then wait 5 minutes, and then you can start peeling the first layer of the wallpaper. And then after that, you can spray some more water and then start using the scraper to remove the wallpaper. Super easy. It's also a good idea to use a scoring tool, and I use light pressure to run the scoring tool over the entire surface of the wall, and don't press too hard. You don't want to puncture the wall, just light pressure, and that will help the water to penetrate a little bit better to the glue. I just want to show you how we did it. And also, if you can come over here a little bit, you can see we damaged the wall a little bit in some areas, but that is an easy fix. But most of the wall is nice and good. Just a little areas that we have to fix, and then this wall is ready for paint. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to remove wallpaper. And if you have any questions, any concerns, any comments, please let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos, because I have a lot of projects that I want to share with you guys. And please like, comment, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer, and I see you next time for more videos. Bye bye.